Imagine finding the perfect set of resources. Your subject truly comes to life with words, images, and sounds. Welcome to Collections by Destiny, where you can store and share resources with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Now you can bring the library into your classroom. The next generation of digital learning is here. It all starts with a collection, a group of carefully selected resources. Think of a collection like a digital scrapbook with audio, video, and slideshows, along with documents, photos, and notes. March your students into the American Revolution, or navigate through outer space with a curated group of resources. Collections can include anything on any subject for any grade level aligned to any educational standard. Create and add collections to a set to help organize certain resources by topic, unit, lesson, and more. Or create playlists to provide customized learning experiences for students so they can work at their own pace. A collection is made up of items. Search Destiny Discover, the web, or your own computer for items to add. The collection's Bookmarklet makes it easy to save resources you find on the web. Just click the link on your browser toolbar. Then, when you're ready to learn more, click the item in your collection to go directly to it. Have some interactive slides on the Milky Way that you want to upload from your Google Drive? You can add those and documents from Microsoft OneDrive to your collection in just a few clicks. Add, edit, move, copy, or delete resources anytime. Or change their position so they appear in a specific order. When you add an item, Collections automatically includes its details. You can edit the information if needed. Still looking for interesting facts about Pluto to add to your lesson on the solar system? You can search public collections to find ones on a particular topic. Choose a ribbon, then click See All. The keyword search is quick and easy. Collections that include a title or description with that keyword appear. If you only want collections for middle school students or ones about science, you can filter the results. You can even copy a collection to make it your own, then add and edit as you see fit. If you love a collection, consider pinning it to your school's ribbon or follow its owner to see their curated content. You can share a collection with your classroom, school, district, and beyond. The people you share with don't even have to be Destiny users. Just copy and paste a link, send an email, or post to Google Classroom. It's easy to collaborate with peers, students, parents, and community members. Get input from the right people to create the best collection. You can see when items have been added, removed, or copied by viewing the activity stream. Collections is many things to many people. Librarians can curate materials for the classroom and easily share them with instructional partners. Teachers can pair content to instruction and provide personalized learning for students. And students can sharpen their critical thinking skills by curating resources for class projects. Now it's your turn. What will you add to your collection?